Namaste and welcome back. Let's give ourselves 5 minutes to relax, revitalize, and to breathe. Sit in a comfortable position. We will be using the thumb and ring finger of our right hand. Cover the right nostril with your right thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Cover the left nostril with your ring finger and breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Cover it with your thumb and breathe out through the left. Breathe in through the left nostril. Cover it with your ring finger and exhale through your right. Close your eyes at this point. Focus on your breathing. Inhale through the right. Cover it with your thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale deep through the left. Cover it with your ring finger. And release through the right. A deep breath in through the right nostril. Cover it with your thumb and exhale through the left. Breathe in through the left. Cover it with your ring finger and exhale through the right. Anuloma Viloma Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing at your own pace with your eyes covered. All your attention towards your breath. As you breathe in, feel that you're breathing in energy. That energy is reaching every cell of your body. As you exhale, feel that all that lethargy or any leftover stress, it's all going out with that breath that is moving out of your body. Breathing in energy, breathing out staleness. Your eyes are still closed. Maybe you want to picture your breath in your favorite color and then visualize that favorite color of yours traveling in your body along with your breath. Try to deepen your inhalations and exhalations. Your eyes are still closed. You're breathing with a smile, feeling the energy traveling in your body. And then different thoughts may want to come and might have come. That is okay. Don't resist. Let them come, acknowledge, and let it go. Our 5 minutes of alternate nostril breathing is done. Stay there with your eyes closed for a few moments. And now rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes and gently open your eyes. I wish you all a wonderful day and a healthy life. Thank you.